grab your tools and band-aids. Welcome to Behind Every Great Mechanic, there's a strong woman supporting him. Being a mechanic's wife, we will experience parts and tools and chemicals going down our drains. When my husband and I first started dating, we were at Wyotech, and we went to one of his friend's house. My husband and his friend actually put an engine of their project vehicle in the bathtub. I had to help them unclog the bathtub. They used the bathtub to clean the engine. Why? I don't know. It worked. But I found an eco-friendly way to unclog the pipes. So what you do is get a plug that fits the drain of the sink, the bathtub, wherever. Let hot water run for like a minute. The hot water will warm up the pipes. Drop a half a cup of baking soda down the drain, and then you want to pour 1 cup of vinegar down the drain and immediately cover the plug, or the drain. Cover it with the plug. Let it sit and fizz for 10 minutes. Remove the plug and rinse with hot water. You will hear the fizzing when you're near the drain. That's normal. Another thing that I kind of did, or had to do, for the rare occasion when the drain got stopped up, was take a plunger, and I had to plunge drain. It was a clean plunger, but still, it kind of sucked, and I'm only 5 foot, so standing on the counter, bent over the sink, and using the plunger to unclog my drain. It wasn't fun, but hopefully you won't have to experience it like I did. And I hope that my drain cleaning hack helps somebody. I wish I knew it back then instead of learning it the hard way. Thanks for watching. Always treat your mechanics busted knuckles.